data your way. Get streamlined cloud or edge-based data management for operational efficiency with Digi Axess. When the going gets tough, Digi gets tougher. Introducing Digi Connect Sensor XRT-M, the newest battery-powered remote telemetry unit with seamless cellular connectivity. No power? No problem. Designed with greater battery life and even better protection from harsh environments. Digi Connect Sensor XRT-M goes where other sensor solutions can't. Digi Axess customizes remote monitoring to meet your needs, whether cloud or edge-based. Digi Axess and Digi Connect Sensor XRT-M. Connect with confidence.